Are you looking for a reliable and effective solution for your intimate care needs? Look no further. LactiFresh, the #1 among intimate care products. In this video, we will explore the advantages of LactiFresh, its unique composition, reviews from satisfied customers, frequently asked questions, and how you can order this remarkable product. Let's dive in. Advantages. Welcome to LactiFresh, where you can regain the comfort of your intimate places. LactiFresh is an organic intimate gel specially designed for women, offering a range of benefits that will leave you feeling fresh and moisturized. Different images showcasing the benefits of LactiFresh, such as preventing infections and providing long-lasting moisturization. LactiFresh not only prevents infections and unpleasant odors but also provides a feeling of freshness and long-lasting moisturization. It is created with the sole purpose of regenerating your intimate places, ensuring optimal health and well-being. Scene, visual representation of the key ingredients, lactic acid and aloe vera. Narrator, what makes LactiFresh truly exceptional is its unique composition. LactiFresh is characterized by its high lactic acid content, which plays a crucial role in maintaining proper bacterial flora and intimate health. Scene, more visuals highlighting the effectiveness of lactic acid and aloe vera. Narrator, lactic acid, the main ingredient in LactiFresh, is an essential component of vaginal bacterial flora. Its deficiency can increase the risk of intimate infections. Lactic acid is naturally produced by probiotic bacteria, specifically lactobacillus, which colonize the intimate area and counteract the overgrowth of pathogens. By lowering the pH of the intimate area, lactic acid restores the natural balance, preventing infections, reducing vaginal odor, and alleviating discomfort. Narrator. Additionally, LactiFresh contains aloe vera leaf juice, which not only promotes hygiene but also aids in the regeneration of areas prone to irritation. LactiFresh provides a feeling of cleanliness and freshness, helps maintain the natural balance of the intimate area, prevents abrasions and skin irritations, and reduces the risk of bacterial and fungal infections. It's a natural ingredient that soothes itching and burning while strengthening the skin's natural protective barrier. Scene 3. How to use LactiFresh. Scene, step-by-step guide demonstrating the usage of LactiFresh. Narrator, using LactiFresh is easy. Follow these simple steps. Scene, visuals demonstrating each step. Narrator, Step 1. Use the pump to squeeze out the desired amount of gel. Step 2. Gently massage the gel into the external genital area. Step 3. Apply LactiFresh 1 to 2 times a day to experience its remarkable benefits. Scene 4. Satisfied customers. Scene, testimonials from satisfied customers. Narrator, thousands of women have already discovered the incredible benefits of LactiFresh. Let's hear what they have to say. Scene, displaying positive testimonials. Narrator, 100% of women who have used LactiFresh say that it eliminates infections and reduces vaginal odor. 98% of women have noticed visible effects after just 1 week of use, and 97% of women find LactiFresh to be more effective than other products they have used before. Scene 5. Frequently asked questions. Scene, displaying the frequently asked questions. What is LactiFresh? LactiFresh is an innovative intimate care gel designed to take care of proper bacterial flora and intimate health comprehensively. What makes LactiFresh better than competing products? LactiFresh stands out due to its high lactic acid content, which restores the natural pH of intimate areas, prevents infections and inflammation, and eliminates unpleasant odors. How to use LactiFresh. Simply use the pump to squeeze out the desired amount of gel, gently massage it into the external genital area, and apply LactiFresh 1 to 2 times a day. Don't miss out on the incredible benefits of LactiFresh. Order now and give yourself the comfort you deserve. LactiFresh is the #1 choice for intimate care products. Gentle, effective, and designed to enhance your intimate health. Seen, LactiFresh logo and contact information. For more information, please visit our website or contact us from the link below. Take care of your intimate health with LactiFresh. Thank you. Thank you for watching our presentation on LactiFresh, the #1 among intimate care products. We hope you've learned about its advantages, composition, customer reviews, and how to use it. Remember, LactiFresh is here to help you regain the comfort and well-being of your intimate places. Don't hesitate to order now and experience the difference yourself.